Liability clause. On the basis of kind of liability, the company can classify it into three classes. First is company limited by shares. Promoters clarify in this clause that the liability of its members is limited. In such companies, members cannot be called on to pay more than the nominal value of their shares. Second is company limited by guarantee. If company limited by guarantee, the members' liability will be up to the extent of the guarantee offered by them. Third is limited liability company. In case of one-person company, the name of the person who in the event of death of the subscriber shall be nominated, the members of the company must be stated in the liability clause. Next, fifth one is capital clause. Capital clause is compulsory in case of a limited company. The company limited by shares must state in its capital clause the amount of capital, the number of shares into which it is divided and the amount of each share. In company limited by guarantee, the amount up to which each member undertakes to contribute at the time of winding up should be specified. If it also has share capital, the capital clause of such company has two clauses, one relating to the guarantee, another relating to share capital. In case of one-person company, the name of person who in the event of death of the subscriber shall become the member of company must be written. Sixth, subscription clause. This clause is also known as incorporation clause, subscription clause or signature clause. In case of public company, minimum 7, and in case of private company, minimum 2 members should have signed the memorandum of association. Such members should sign in presence of witnesses. These members who sign are known as signature members. The members of the company put their signature and give an undertaking to the effect that they are interested in promoting the incorporation of the company and are willing to purchase the shares mentioned against their name. The signator's name, address, profession, etc. should be mentioned. When only one person incorporates a company, it is known as one-person company. The members signing memorandum of association are known as signatories. Change in the memorandum of association. As memorandum of association is an important document of a company which cannot be altered easily. It is impossible to make changes, but it is difficult. After following the provision of Companies Act and undertaking few procedure, we can have a change. It is compulsory to register the altered memorandum of association with the registrar. The procedure to change the name, the change in the name clause. To make changes in name clause, special resolution is passed in the general meeting. Central government permission needed to be taken for change in the name clause. After taking permission from central government, within 15 days, registrar should be informed and new name should be registered in books. When the word private is added or deleted from the name on the conversion of any class of a company to another class, permission need not be required. Change in the registered office clause. The first one, change of the registered office within the same city. For such change, resolution is passed. Company must inform such change of address within 15 days of such change of its registered office to the registrar of companies. Second, change of registered office from one city to another within the same state. For this, special resolution needs to be passed in the general meeting. When company's registered address is changing from the jurisdiction of one registrar to the jurisdiction of another registrar, permission needs to be taken by the regional director. Third, change of registered office from one state to another. For this kind of change, permission of central government is required. For this type of change, if creditors or debenture holders have any objection, they can file an application. The state in which the registered office is being shifted, the registrar of that place needs to be informed and new registration needs to be made. After getting permission from the central government form and prescribed fees need to be filed with registrar within 30 days. First we learned was change in the name clause. Second was change in the registered office clause. Now change in object clause. The company can do business only as per object clause of memorandum. If directors carry out any other work when it is considered outside the permissible limit of the company, legally directors are personally liable for such act. Once the object clause is framed, it is not impossible to change, but it is extremely difficult to change object clause of memorandum. For making any changes in this clause, provision of Company Act has to be observed. Change in the object clause. The following changes can be made. A company cannot deviate from the object for which it has collected share capital without passing special resolution. No alteration made in the object clause shall be effective until it has been registered by the registrar of the companies. Change in the object clause of Memorandum of Association can be made giving any member right to participate in the divisible profit of company when a company is limited to guarantee and does not have share capital. Any other changes of object clause shall be considered void. Change in liability clause. It may extinguish or reduce the liability on any of its shares in respect of the share capital not paid up. A company limited by share capital or limited by guarantee may reduce its share capital by a special resolution. Fifth point, change in capital clause. Generally, no company can increase or decrease its share capital. For any change in capital, Article of Association and Companies Act should allow it. Resolution: a company may change its capital clause in the following manner. The power to change capital should be authorized by Article of Association of the company. Special resolution needs to be passed in general meeting. With the help of special resolution, company can increase its authorized share capital. The subdivide its share or any of them into share or smaller amount than is mentioned in the memorandum. Cancel the share which are not taken by anyone and diminish the amount of its share capital. The share capital of a company limited by shares or limited by guarantee and having a share capital may be reduced by a special resolution of the company, which is followed by an application in the court, and on confirmation the share capital can be reduced. It is not easy to make changes in the capital clause of the Memorandum of Association. For change in capital procedure mentioned in Companies Act needs to be followed, and any change made by company needs to be informed to the registrar of the companies. In many cases, permission from court also needed to be taken. Court listens to all the parties concerned with the companies and then takes the decision which is in interest of all the parties.